Hello สวัสดีครับ Today I'm gonna teach you how to use hand wrap for Muay Thai. Okay. So there's are two sides here. Okay. This one is out and then this one is inside. Okay. We're gonna start make it outside for outside. Okay. Loop on the thumb. Go to the wrist. Okay. Make sure don't pull it very tight. Just make it normal. Okay. Wrap it three or four times. If your hand wrap is 4 meter, wrap here 3, and then at the knuckle same 3. Okay, I'm gonna go 3 times here on my wrist. Okay, now 1 2 3, and then I want tight it a bit. Okay, now open your palm like this. Now we go here 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, now same here, we out here, we go direct to the wrist and then tie it 1 time. Okay, make sure you open. Okay, open your hand like this, don't make it close. Open. Now we go between the finger. Okay, pinky with ring finger here, and then out here. Okay, don't go down here, we out here. Then make sure grip, and then out, open, and then middle and index. Same grip, same out here, and then go to the wrist 1 time, and then tie it 1 time on the wrist, then open again, middle, same out here. Okay, out here, and then we go to the thumb. So the thumb you're gonna do 2 or 3 times. Okay, it depends on the hand wrap. This way 1. Okay, make sure you go from out. Okay, not inside. Okay, from the back hand here. Now 2, and then to the wrist, always on the wrist. Now finish the hand wrap here on the wrist. And then tie it. Boop. Okay, then fold it inside. You're gonna pull this one. Okay, and then this one. Tie it up. Fold it. Sorry. Fold it like this. Okay. Fold it. Chip. Please like and share.